LP members don tell the Jiloso wey say him be the chairman of Labour Party. They say if Obi Alex Oti comot for Labour Party, say they go carry their bag follow them for back. E don red. As we dey talk now, one vibrant young man don come outside come tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, omo, come hear wetin this guy talk for mouth o. Omo, Nigeria don finally yata. Wait, I go bring the video up for you, make you dey see wetin dey happen. Please do not forget to follow our new page, Balabas Gist Vlog. Please follow that page, very important, because very soon you no go dey see our post for Facebook again for our main page. Follow that particular page immediately. Okay, my people, I want you to watch this video. May you hear wetin this man talk, wey be the chairman, what they call Jiloso, abi na Jesus e be. Just watch the thing wey him talk concerning Obi and the Alex Oti, wey make LP members come tell am say if Obi comot for Labour Party, they go comot. Say na Obi carry them come Labour Party, so if he comot, they go follow them for back comot. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
I want to say categorically that no governor, yes, sir, no governor that we gave tickets, yes, sir, can harass us out of office. Yes, sir. No governor, no matter how highly placed, will come and with a fiat dissolve the National Working Committee, dissolve state councils, dissolve local government councils, dissolve world executive, even military governments don't behave that way. And so I must state categorically, yes, that mandate that was given to us on March 27th, the leadership of this party, under my leadership, will defend it. And I want to assure you that we will reclaim it and we will be here and produce the next president of Nigeria. But the Labour Party was built on the backs of honest Nigerians who believe in the possibility of a better tomorrow. We are a party of vision, a party of unity, and a party that represents the true interests of the people. Those who seek to tear us apart with backroom deals and illegal meetings must not be allowed to do so. What message does it send to Nigerians when meetings meant to divide us are held in Abia State, a state that has become a symbol of resilience at a time when this nation is struggling with ethnic divisions? Such actions do not promote unity, they deepen the wounds of distrust. Nigerians are watching and they will not be silent. We cannot afford to play politics with the future of our party. I call on all true members of Labour Party to stand firm. This is not the time for betrayal. It is the time for solidarity. We must reject the actions of those who, for their own interests, seek to weaken us, seek to divide the party, seeks to share it and divide it in piecemeal. I remain committed to leading this party in the right direction, one that aligns with the hope and aspirations of Nigerians. We have much work to do. The beautiful ones are not yet born in Nigeria, but they will be born through our collective efforts. We must nurture this party, for it is the only true vessel that can deliver the change Nigeria so desperately needs. The first question, we have not yacked off Alex Oti and Peter Obi. We have simply said that the doors of the party are open to others, which is democratic. If you look at section 221 and Section 222 of the 1999 Constitution, it makes it clear that every political party is open to all Nigerians. The Labour Party Constitution is equally clear that you cannot deprive people who may be interested in running for an elective office in the party. And so what we have done simply is to open the window to accommodate more people. You will agree with me that democracy is about number. The more, the merrier. The more people we have, the better for the party and for even the candidates themselves. Because if you emerge from a competitive process, it gives you more confidence and it shows that you are the best. And Labour Party have always maintained that why APC and PDP have failed is because they suppress competition and skew their primaries towards one individual. And we feel that since our party is different, we should not be seen in behaving in the same way. And that's why we have simply thrown the party open for all and sundry. Yes, as for this meeting, yes, they were all invited for the meeting. It is one thing to invite people for the meeting, it's for another thing for them to attend the meeting. So I must make it clear that they were all invited for the meeting. All those that were supposed to be here are here, and you will agree with me that we have formed quorum in this meeting. All members of the National Working Committee are here, except for two that have an assignment outside Nigeria. State chairmen are here, state secretaries are here, other stakeholders are equally here. And so the meeting is well constituted, and quorum for any meeting as per the provision of the Constitution is 1/3 of those who are supposed to be present in that meeting. And so we are very comfortable with this meeting, and we are even more than 2/3 in attendance. So this meeting is well constituted, and we are happy that we are here today. Yes, as to restore the confidence of Nigerians in the party. Yes, like I said in my opening remarks, every organization has its evolutionary process. Political activities are dynamic, and so I see this as a period of trial for the party, as a period that the party is having challenges. It's an evolutionary period for the party. I want to believe that it's a passing phase, and I believe that the party will get over this phase and will be stronger and better. And I want to say clearly that comparatively, the crisis in this party, when compared with others, you will agree with me that ours is relatively better than others. So I must assure you that Nigerians will see this as a process that the party needs to go through, and we are going through them, and I'm sure that this phase will be out of the party very, very soon. You will agree with me that this party has been under attack since after the general election. We've had one crisis or the other, but I'm happy that we've been able to surmount those crises, and I'm sure that after this one, we come out stronger and better. As to being afraid whether we'll lose the governor of Abia State and PO, like I said, the party is dynamic. Like I said, this process is evolutionary period for the party. The party is growing and is still growing, and we believe that all of this will make the party stronger and will make it better. I must state here clearly, in respect of the discipline that we talked about, the party is supreme, and every member of the party is supposed to live and play by the rules of the party. Nigeria is in comatose. Nigeria is in trouble because we don't obey rules. Because we have a lot of, there's no discipline, financial discipline, attitudinal discipline, and whatnot in the country. And that's why we are where we are today. And if we are saying that Labour Party will make the difference, we are determined to really and truly make that difference. And that difference must start from us. Must start from the way we conduct ourselves as a party and as members of the party. As to what kind of disciplinary measures that we'll take, I think it is too premature for us to be answering this question. The constitution of the party is clear. Like we said, we already have disciplinary committee in place. It will be prejudicial for me.
No waste time, just watch this particular video that I want to play you. May you see the level of the canteen wey Nigeria wan do their president o. Just watch the video.
President Asiwaju Ahmed Bola Tinubu, you know say when you dey do Nigeria, so Nigeria quiet o. When you dey rule the country anyhow, so Nigeria is quiet for you. But I wan tell you just now, say you go cry when the wahala go start. You go cry when Nigeria dey cry, so you quiet too. You go cry the money when you take contest for this past election, sir. You go cry, you go run comot for this country. You go cry when you dey do Nigeria, so Nigeria quiet for you. When Nigeria go come for you, Ahmed Bola Tinubu Asiwaju, the president of Nigeria. When Nigeria go come for you, you go cry you. Now be all this one when they say that they plan protest. No, this time around nobody go follow you plan anything. No, you go cry. You go cry, Asiwaju. You go cry when the wahala go start. You see this your tenure when you dey rule am anyhow. Swear you just rule anyhow. You call your appoint person, you travel. You call you put person say one vacancy day, you put person, you travel. Swear you just rule anyhow. You cry. Sheyi Tinubu, you tell your papa say where the wahala go start. Una too go cry. The cry self, you see why they sweat, sir, you go sweat past me. Because you know, see where wrong go. See, all this one now, they spread the country. People, they suffer, so when we travel, una they travel anyhow, when we travel, we abubayo, we travel, now they travel up and down. When we swear, you just rule anyhow. The people, they suffer, they die, so now not care. I go buy fuel this morning now, so 1,300. Now so we want to leave her. Who swear you just rule anyhow. You did that, they travel, go China. You go cry when the wahala go start. You go cry. You go cry when the wahala go start. You wicked when I swear when I just rule anyhow. Just rule anyhow. So when the wahala go start, President Tinubu wife, when the wahala go start, una to go cry. The wahala go pursue una. Cause no place where una go run enter. You just say now the mumu protest when they planned the other time. This time around, your body go tell you now. You get let to run. You say this your essay, this your SSS when you the guy follow body say. When hunger don't beat Nigeria reach one stage when we say nobody they fear death again. All the justice one apart when you they bribe, they do everything. One I just rule the country yaga so una go cry when the wahala go start. Cause Nigeria go bust just now. Nigeria go bust. The keke when I enter just now, the women they talk say now they want protest. And the women say now say see all the military, una go run. Cause Nigerians are hungry. No hope anywhere, no hope. Bag of rice now is 120,000 for market here. No hope from anywhere. You won't mess when when you just rule any year, your mind say you dey rule. You just rule anyhow. You dey rule anyhow. Just for you to bear the name president, you just rule. You don't know what you dey rule. You don't have an idea of how to rule Nigeria. You cannot revive the economy. You just did the rule anyhow. You go cry when the wahala go start. You go cry, you Asiwaju, you go cry. The cry of Nigeria, sir, you all go pass on. As if they say you wicked, so you go cry. wetin you no get conscience woman travel just dey travel up and down dey travel up and down you no know your left from your right woman travel nothing concern you again if the people die or not. I dey tell you this thing because during election all my friends dey vex for me when I dey talk say Asiwaju na go win this election na Asiwaju go win you go fit do Nigeria well. See today na all of them dey laugh me everybody dey laugh me my friend nearly slap me yesterday Asiwaju you go cry winch I campaign for you I campaign all my friends they laugh me they say make I not join their group again because of your yeye character you go cry.
You don't hear am o how they wan make Tinubu cry last. E don red for inside Nigeria. Abeg no forget to share this video and drop your own opinion in the comment section o and no forget to follow our new page very important. I know the reason why because some people now go come Oga Balaba gist we no dey see your update again o. I don tell you to go follow the page now so that you no go miss am later wey we don finally stop to post for inside that particular one. So follow am so you no go miss our update for Facebook. Okay now my people, we'll see you for another update as e dey hot. Please drop your own opinion in the comment section.